Good morning, children. We'll continue with Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice, page 96. We finished Act 2, Scene 7 in the last class. Now we will do Act 2, Scene 8. Page 96, Act 2, Scene 8, Venice, a street. The previous scene was in Belmont. The Prince of Morocco came to make the choice. Now the scene has switched over to Venice, and it is a street in Venice. Enter Salarino and Salanio. These are the friends of Antonio and Bassanio, and they are reporting what happened. Remember, Jessica has eloped from her house, taking away the gold and money belonging to her father. And Shylock had gone, at that time Shylock had gone to the dinner party to which he was invited. And when he comes back, he finds the cupboard open and all the gold and money is missing. The jewels are missing. So you can imagine his disappointment and sorrow when he is. And this is reported. This is not actually shown on the stage. It is reported by these two characters. Salario, why man, I saw Bassanio under sail. With him is Gratiano gone along, and in that ship I am sure Lorenzo is not. So they wanted to have a masque, and after the masque they were planning to have a dinner, but the dinner is cancelled because Bassanio had to set sail early. Why man, I saw Bassanio under sail. Under sail means in the ship, going away, sailing in the ship. With him is Gratiano gone along. Gratiano is there with him, but Lorenzo is not with him. And in the ship, I am sure Lorenzo is not. Salanio, the villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke. He complained very loudly to the Duke because he went home, he reached his house and he found that his money and his jewels and gold is all stolen, is taken away. The villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke. So he complained to the Duke very loudly, with anger, with frustration and disappointment. The villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship. So, at the request of Shylock, the Duke went with him to search in the ship which Bassanio was traveling, to see if Jessica and Lorenzo are there. Salarino, he came too late. The ship had already started sailing and they came too late. He came too late, the ship was under sail. But there the Duke was given to understand. The Duke was informed. There the Duke was given to understand. The Duke was informed that in a gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica. Amorous means loving. Gondola is a boat which is specially used in Venice. And in this boat, people told him that Jessica and Lorenzo had sailed away. Amorous, loving. They are lovers. Antonio certified the Duke they were not with Bassanio in his ship. Antonio also assured the Duke that Lorenzo and Jessica were not in Bassanio's ship. Certified means to assure, to make certain. Antonio certified the Duke they were not with Bassanio in his ship. Salanio, I never heard of passion so confused. An outburst of anger, disappointment, frustration. Now what happens is, Shylock is so disappointed, so shocked, so angry that he runs about on the streets shouting, "Oh my gold, oh my ducats, oh my daughter." And the words which he says are confused. In his grief is so much that he He is confused in his mind, as you can see from this passage. I never heard a passion so confused. Passion means strong feelings of, here it is anger and disappointment. I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, and so variable changing. It is so strange. He has never heard anyone shouting like this. Outrageous means excessive, great. I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, and so variable as the dog you did utter in the streets. Dog means showing contempt for Shylock. They all hate Shylock because of his miserly and cruel nature. As the dog you did utter in the streets. My daughter, oh my ducats, oh my daughter, fled with a Christian, has escaped, disappeared with a Christian. Oh my Christian ducats. So there you see he is confused, and the words, what he shouts out has no meaning. Oh my Christian ducats. Justice, he wants justice. The law, my ducats, my daughter. So he wants the Duke to grant justice to him, and justice, he expects justice in the way that Jessica should be brought back to him with the gold and jewels. A sealed bag, 2 sealed bags of ducats. 2 sealed bags of ducats. Double ducats means so much of money, of double ducats, stolen from me by my daughter. My daughter has taken it away. And jewels, also jewels. 2 stones, that is precious stones. 2 rich and precious stones. These are the things which are stolen. Stolen by me, by my daughter. Justice, find the girl. She hath the stones upon her and the ducats. I want justice immediately. She has all the jewels with her. Find her and bring her to me. And Salarino reports, why all the boys in Venice follow him, crying his stones, his daughter, and his ducats. It's also sad, but at the same, there is also humor in it, because while Shylock is running in the streets shouting for his daughter and for his ducats and jewels, the boys of Venice are also following him and shouting and like him, imitating him. So this is reported. It is not actually shown on the stage. Salanio, let good Antonio look, he keep his day. Now Shylock is so angry, so frustrated, and they think of Antonio and the bond which he has signed. So here Salanio says that Antonio should be careful to keep the terms and conditions of the bond, because Shylock is in such a mood of anger that he will take revenge if the 3,000 ducats is not repaid in 3 months. Let good Antonio look, he keep his day. Look, he keep his day means keep the terms and conditions of the bond which he has signed, or he shall pay for this, or Shylock will take revenge on him. Shylock will punish him for his disappointment and anger. Mary well remembered. Mary is just an expression by the Virgin Mary. I remember something now. Salarino says he remembers something. I reasoned with a Frenchman yesterday. I was talking with a Frenchman yesterday who told me in the narrow seas that part, that is the English, the English channel, which divides England and France, who told me in the narrow seas that part, the French and English, the narrow channel between France and England, there miscarried. Miscarried means there was wrecked, there was damaged or wrecked a vessel of our country. Maybe by the flag, the Frenchman identified that this ship which was wrecked in the channel between France and England belonged to Venice. A vessel of our country richly fraught. Richly fraught means with very rich goods in the ship, all destroyed. I thought upon Antonio. At that moment, when the Frenchman told the news about a ship, a Venetian ship being wrecked in the English Channel, he thought about Antonio. I thought about Antonio when he told me this and wished in silence that it were not his. He wished silently in his mind, he wished that the ship would not be Antonio's ship. You were best to tell Antonio what you hear. Let us go find Antonio and tell him the news. Yet do not suddenly. Do not tell the news all of a sudden. Do tell the news very gently because it is sad news. Bad news about the shipwreck. About Antonio's shipwreck. For it may grieve him. He will become very sad. Then Salarino speaks about Antonio. Now we understand the character about people in the play by what is spoken. There is no description of the character. From the comments made by other characters about a certain character, we come to learn about their attitude, their behavior, their character, their nature. Here Salarino refers to the character of Antonio. A kinder, gentle man treads not the earth. There is not a more kinder man. There is not a more kind man than Antonio in this world. A kinder man treads means walks. So there has never been a man who was kinder than Antonio. A kinder, gentle man treads not the earth. I saw Bassanio and Antonio part. I saw them saying farewell to each other. Bassanio told him he would make some speed of his return. Bassanio said that he will come back very quickly. After he has after he has gone to Belmont, he will return very quickly. Do not so. Antonio said, don't try to come back very quickly. Slubber not business for my sake. Do not spoil everything. Do not spoil everything. Do not spoil your chances of winning Portia by doing everything in a very quick way. Wait for the correct time. You have gone for a certain purpose and it is important that the purpose for which you have gone to Belmont is fulfilled. So, slubber not business for my sake. For my sake, don't do everything very quickly and badly. Do everything slowly, gently, properly, correctly, so that the aim and purpose for which you have gone to Belmont will be fulfilled. That is, he has gone to win Portia, and Antonio says that is more important than coming back soon, doing everything quickly and returning soon. And but stay the very ripening of the time. You should stay there and you should, till a suitable time comes for you to win Portia. And for the Jew's bond which he hath of me, let it not enter your mind of love. You think only about winning Portia. Let only love fill your thoughts. Don't worry about me, don't worry about the bond. Be merry, be cheerful, and employ your chiefest thoughts to courtship and such fair ostents of love. So, your mind should be filled with love and how you can express that love in Belmont. To courtship and such fair ostents of love. And even there, his eye being big with tears, he was so sad. Antonio was so sad, he turned his face. Turning his face, he put his hand behind him. Turning his face, he shook hands with Bassanio because of his sadness. His eyes were filled with tears. And with affection wondrous sensible, with a lot of love and affection, he said farewell to Bassanio, who is going to Belmont. He wrung Bassanio's hand and so they parted. I think he only loves the world for him. I think Antonio is living for the sake of Bassanio. I pray thee, let us go and find him out. Let us go and find him out and quicken his embraced heaviness. He might be sad now because Bassanio has left for Belmont, and the news of the shipwreck will increase his sadness. So let us go and comfort him and quicken his embraced heaviness with some delight or other. Let us make him happy. Let us cheer him up with some amusements. So, Salarino, do we so. So with that, we will end today's session.